let's start by asking you simple question. Just describe yourself.
So, good afternoon, sir. My name is Bhavesh Rai. Currently, I am pursuing graduation in electrical engineering from Athro College of Malad.
Okay.
Talking about my family, I have 4 family members. With about are my dad, my mom, my younger brother, and me myself. Talking about my hobbies, I love to play cricket and I do workout in gym.
Okay.
I love it, and sometimes occasionally I play badminton.
Okay, so you play badminton just for as a hobby, or you have played somewhere
No, just
or represented somewhere else, like at regional level or national level?
No, sir, just as a hobby.
Okay, as a hobby. And what about cricket? Have you any?
Cricket, I play on Sundays, not like on national level or regional level. I just play on Sundays for my fun.
Okay, okay. So you kind of like a sporty person, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You said that you love to work out in gym, right?
Yes, sir.
So just tell me some more about, because I have no idea what people are doing in gym. Like they consume. I have heard that they consume lots of other products. So how about that? What are they actually?
So, sir, basically in gym we work out and we broke our muscles.
Okay.
So that muscles will grow, and will because of it, the fat percent of a person gets reduced. It helps him as it that he gets immune to various types of diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, and various types of diseases others. So that's why a fit person always go to gym and work out.
Okay.
Talking about that, supplements, various types of people consume steroids and other drugs like elements which are not good for health. But there are some supplements which are good for health, like protein powder, gainer, shaker, which will help a person to grow, or his immune system will grow by taking protein, and his muscle building capacity will be growing.
So
he
on
will
the
be fit.
other hand, so what about those people who do not consume this and still working and having a good health?
They are like denoted as desi people. Like
Okay.
they are also good, sir. They consume Indian diets like milk, protein, and eggs and fish. That is also good source of protein.
Okay.
Uh, those people who can't consume this take protein shakes on basis, or so that they can compensate the loss of protein in their body.
So should I assume that you also as well consume these
No,
things?
not right now, sir. I just focus on desi diet, like homemade foods prepared by mom, and focus on consuming that only and working on gym.
Okay. So Bhavesh, tell me something about your education background. What
Talking about my
exactly?
educational background, sir, I have completed my SSC from Don Bosco High School, Dombivli. Thereby, after I took admission in KJ Soma Polytechnic, where I
Okay.
completed my diploma in electrical engineering. There I scored 91%
Okay.
in my final year.
Good,
And
good.
after that, I took admission in Athro College of Malad Engineering to
FI
complete
engineering.
my FI engineering to complete my degree. And thereby, I am currently in 8th SEM and pursuing it, and will be completing it in May 2024.
So what are your majors in engineering?
Like, sir,
Major subject,
major subjects.
like
okay.
branch I'm talking about.
Major subjects are machines, transformers, distribution, generation.
So electrical branch
Yes,
exactly,
electrical
right?
branch, yes, sir. Electrical
Okay.
engineering.
So what this branch is all about?
So this branch is all about, basically its branch is generating of power,
Okay.
transmitting the power, and distributing power among the people. And as it is said that the coming era will be of electricity, like electric cars are growing, electric trains are coming, so it will be a very drastic change for the electrical engineers to flourish themselves in the growing era.
So it's a larger sector of one of the most
Yes, sir.
growing
Renowned
economics,
sector.
right? So if the sector is larger and simultaneously you will be having greatest opportunity, job opportunity in the same field, right? So then why MBA or engineering?
Sir, I see myself as a more innovative and entrepreneurial kind of boy in my personal aspect, and I
Okay.
would like to grow myself in the decision making skills and proving for a company where I do not work as a core engineer but as a entrepreneur, and will help the company in making new innovations,
Okay.
and will lead a team. So
So-
that's why I choose MBA, and as well the MBA is a growing field, sir, as you know.
Yeah.
So that's why I would like to be a part of it.
So as you said that you want to grow while choosing this field. So just in addition to that, just tell me where do you see in next 3 to 4 years
Sir, I see.
after completion of your MBA?
Yes, sir. Sir, I see myself in next to 3 to 4 years, like completing my MBA from a renowned institute like yours,
Okay.
SRM Nashik, and then working in a uh, renowned company like Accenture, Amazon, and etc. Siemens like company, to grow myself there and to make networks with different kinds of people, with alumni and with the faculty of the college, so that I will get to know the market more and will develop my decision making skills, and that's all, sir.
Okay. Bhavesh, I noticed that you have something on your wrist, right? Can you tell me something about that? What is that exactly?
Sir,
Do you have any spiritual thinking behind it, or
Yes, sir. This is basically
any
the kalava that we say, kalava
Okay.
that I have tore when I went to Siddhivinayak temple.
So
of
this is spiritual,
Dadar.
right?
Yes, spiritual.
Okay. So you
Where I-
believe in
Yes, sir.
such things. Okay, good. So just tell me something more about it. What exactly it is and why you are having on your
This is
wrist?
basically, sir, people tie it on wrist so
Okay.
that the attention and focus of a person will be maintained. As
Okay.
this is tied on a hand, and it maintains the blood pressure also of a person who wears it, and this keeps you calm and more focused on your work. This I wore on Siddhivinayak temple. in
So
Dadar.
this is your belief, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a part of where you believe on something or not.
Yes, sir.
So you think this works or at some level, right?
Yes, sir.
So talking about same thing, extending your question, tell me something about your weaknesses. What do you think your weaknesses are, or what do you think your good points are?
Sir, my strength is that I am attention driven, more goal oriented, not only focus on just talking but doing action on it.
Okay.
And talking about my weakness, sir, I sometimes see myself lagging in prioritizing work over life.
Okay.
Like I prioritize more work over life, and somewhat at time management I get to see myself lagging the skills of managing time. So for that, compensating the weakness of myself, I am preparing a to-do list every morning from the new year that started from 2024, and to a very extent I have compensated it.
So
Like
it
I am
means,
managing.
so this is what you said. You have said that you are not able to manage your family life and your working lives. So when you are entering to the field like MBA, how do you see that you will able to manage such
Sir,
things?
I have
Because
whenever
you
I'm-
will be having a lot of work after completion of your MBA, right? You will be
Sir, sir.
at some positions where you will be taking decisions for some companies. So at that time where your positions will be at some high level, so how do you see that you will be able to manage that time?
Sir, as per my view, I see myself for next 5 years down the life. I just see myself growing. So I will prioritize more on work and
Okay.
the organization that I am working for it to give my the best, because that is the time where my career has been growing. And my father also say that always prioritize our work over life. That means both should be maintained, but always the work is more good. And life means can be maintained on weekends, but work should be more. So I will prioritize my work on basically on down the line for 5 years.
Okay. So this is all about what you are trying to focus on future, right? While entering the field like MBA.
Yes, sir.
So why SIBM? Like
Sir.
because there are so many other institutions where you can complete your MBA
Sir,
from.
Yes, talking about your college, your prestigious college, I have researched about it, and in the line of symbiosis chain of college, SRM Nashik ranks in the top 5th college.
Okay.
And talking about specifically this operation and management and supply chain, SRM ranks 3rd after SPJMR and NITI in all over. So I would be very pleased to be a part of it.
So do you have any idea what kind of placements that we have at SIBM?
Yes, sir, I have researched about it, and very renowned companies come to the college like Accenture.
Like what?
Accenture,
Accenture?
Bosch, Amazon, GE. So I would have a very good package. So I will be a part of it. I would like to be a part of it, sir.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, so have you, apart from these things, have you any achievements in your extracurricular activities, like apart from studies and all?
So talking about my extracurricular activities and achievements, I have learned martial arts during my school and have green belt in it. Apart from it, during the lockdown period, I have during lockdown period there is a site called Internshala where I have ranked third, with my teammates, we were working on a project of digital marketing,
Okay.
where we have projected one website,
Mhm.
and where we used to post some quotes related.
You said you completed your 12th from in
I have completed my diploma from KJ Soma Polytechnic in electrical engineering
in the year of
from 2018 to 2021.
in the period of lockdown, right?
Yeah, sir.
So
Kind of lockdown.
so what was your experience
Sir,
like taking
talking-
educations in the pandemic like corona?
Yes, sir.
What was your experience?
Sir, initially in 2018 all were good. Like we used to go to college. I made very friends, very much friends there. In 2019 also things well went, but in the end of 2019 this COVID pandemic came, and
Right.
in the beginning of 2020 we were scheduled to have a internal assessment one,
Okay.
but because of the prior to only 1 week the lockdown was happened, and it continued for so long that we completed our whole 1.5 years of diploma from in lockdown only. People used to cheat, sir, in during exams.
Yeah, that's the sad part. That is another side,
That- another side of the
of the law. So let's talk about something about more about your current affairs. Let's see how it works for you. So just select any topic, or just speak for 2 to 3 minutes,
So,
whatever of your choice only.
I have learned something about somewhat about stock market, sir.
Okay.
So I would like to be talking about.
So according to you, what are the current top companies for now which are going up
Sir,
currently?
currently the banking sector is going up, like HDFCs and SBI banks are going
Okay.
up, and top 50 companies, talking about Nifty 50, like National 50, which have been NSE listed in National Stock
Okay.
Exchange, Tata Motors, Hindalco, Manappuram, Suzlon, like these companies. It's a mixture of defense, it's a mixture of motors and banking sector which are growing now. So,
Okay, so according to you, as you said that you have a bit of knowledge of share market, right? So according to you, what are the major factors that are responsible for what we can say for the upsell of any company or the downfall of any company? What are the major factors
So
that affect these
basically,
things?
I think, as per my knowledge, as per to the greatest of my best of my knowledge, the people's sentiments is what makes a company grow or makes a company downfall. People's sentiments is basically how people see the company, what are the past history of the company,
Okay.
and how the company will work. They predict on that performance and experience, like
Okay.
their expectations and performance.
Yeah, that's enough, Vash. I'm good to hear that. So let's conclude this interview by just give me a thought on current Indian budget that we have recently Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman have presented. So just give me a thought on that.
So basically, this budget is interim budget, and the government will work only for. It said that the government will work on 2 months for it, and the next upcoming budget after the general election will present the final budget in July 2024, end of July 2024. But as of the expert says that this budget will continue for 4 to 5 years, and this budget promises welfare of poor, youth, women, and farmers.
So any
Basically.
major sector that you can compare from the last year's budget and to this year's budget?
So basically, taxpayers are paying the same tax.
Okay.
No changes in tax slabs, and more inclusion of people are being done in the sector of bank. Like our Prime Minister Modi is saying that more inclusion of people should be done through bank. Their people should be connected to bank.
Which
And
people he is talking about?
Poor people,
The poor
like,
people
yeah.
or the people?
The elite people are already connected, sir. So the poor people like stalkers, hawkers, they are